Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UX UI Design Group. Today I'll be talking about 10 usability heuristics. Being an UX designer, you should master these heuristics, which I am talking about today. So let's see what is heuristic evaluation. Heuristic evaluation is a problem solving method used to analyze the usability issues in the user interface, that is UI. Heuristics is one of the quick and easy usability evaluation method in UX. So let's see what are 10 usability heuristics that are board rules of thumb. First one is visibility of system status, match between system and the real world, user control and freedom, consistency and standards, error prevention, recognition rather than recall, flexibility and efficiency of use, aesthetic and minimal design, help users recognize, diagnose, and recover from errors, help and documentation. So, before exploring the visibility of system status, let's see when, who, and how stages of heuristic evaluation. So, when to use heuristic evaluation? Unlike the usability testing method, heuristic evaluation can be used at initial stages of design process, that is, while creating the wireframes, prototypes, or the high fidelity wireframes, along with the user testing, evaluating the existing design, which would help us in resolving the usability issues. So, who conducts heuristic evaluation? It is always recommended that the experienced usability experts or the UX evaluators should conduct heuristic evaluation with minimum of 3 and maximum of 5 evaluators. So now let's see how to conduct heuristic evaluation. If you are analyzing or evaluating websites or an mobile app, no matter what digital product you are evaluating, may it can be mockups, it can be wireframes, it can be prototype, it can be existing UI. The process is same to conduct heuristic evaluation. That is, first you should select usability experts, then you can create an evaluation phase. Maybe it can be phase 1, phase 2, and once it is done, you come up with a problem findings. After that, you can create a report with your own usability recommendations. So, in today's video, I will cover the first heuristic evaluation method, which is visibility of system status. So, what is visibility of system status? Let's see. The system should always keep the user informed about what is going on with proper feedback within the reasonable time. It's like the system is interacting with the user. You, as the UX designer or being a designer, you will not be with the user all the time. The system should speak the user language. The user should know when exactly they are on screen, what is the next action they need to accomplish while using any digital product. So, let's understand the visibility of system status heuristic with some examples, that is with some good examples and some bad examples. So as a user, when I'm copying some files, the status should be very clear that how much percentage of the files has been copied or how much percentage it's remaining. So the example which you see on the left side of this screen is, it shows 72%. The status is very clear, whereas on the right hand side there is a progress bar, but I don't know as a user how much percentage it has been completed or how much percentage it is left. In this example, let's talk about the login error screen. The most common error which we see across internet. So on the left hand side, when the user forgets to type his user ID and he type password and then press login button, the error should show please enter your valid user ID, which clearly indicates and tells the user or interact the user what is exact error, and the user ID input field is highlighted with the red border, whereas on the right hand side the user ID input field is not highlighted with the red border, which does not clearly indicate what exactly the error is. And even the text message, it shows abstract that it is there was some error, please fix it. It is not clear that errors is in your user ID or please enter valid user ID like message on the left hand side. So by doing this, don't make your users think or wouldn't build a load on their minds. I am sure these examples were helpful to understand about the first heuristic, that is visibility of system status. In my upcoming videos, I will talk more about second, third and fourth heuristics with some quick and simple examples which would help you to understand about the heuristics. So thank you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did and if you would have more stuff like this, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel UX UI Design Group.